let's see, found it. My rabbits. My rabbits. I have a rabbit. My rabbit can play, and my rabbits. My rabbits. I have a rabbit. My rabbit can play, and my rabbit can hop. But my rabbit can swim. It can eat this, but it can eat this. I like my rabbit, and my rabbit likes me. It is fun to have a rabbit. Look, Kim. Look at the balls in the shop. Here is a little ball. Will Mimi like it? No. Then look at this big ball. Mimi will like this big ball. Yes, Kim. I like it too. Let's get the big ball for Mimi. Away we go. Where is Mimi? Let's hide the ball. Don't let Mimi see the ball. Mimi can look for the ball. It will be fun. We have a ball for you, Mimi, but look for it. Go on, Mimi. Look for it. Found it. My ball. My ball. I have a ball. My ball can go up, and my ball can come down. I like my big ball. More fun with reading. More fun with reading. My little ball. Hold it, twirl it, roll it down my back. Throw it, catch it, clap, clap, clap. Lose my ball. Where is my ball? Where is my big ball? You can have my ball. No, I can't have this ball. This is but a little ball. I want my big ball. Where is my big ball? You can have my ball. No, I can't have this ball. This is but a little ball. I want my big ball. Where is my big ball? You can have my ball. No, I can't have this ball. This is but a little ball. I want my big ball. Where is my big ball? Here a big ball. I like big balls. Can I have the balls? No, you can. This is my ball, and I like my big ball. Where is my ball? Found it. I have found my big ball. I can play with my big ball. My big ball. Hold it, twirl it, roll it down my back. Throw it, catch it, clap, clap, clap.